wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best TV carts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Oncron Universal can accommodate most flat and curved televisions that measure between 40 and 75 inches. It has two steel shelves for additional audio-video equipment, and its durable aluminum alloy body will stand up well to regular use. It offers a maximum height of 62 inches and has been tested for performance. However, setup may require two people. At number 9, for a low mobile setup, it would be hard to beat the Can Do CRT03937, which has two shelves. It's a smart option for small spaces. It's 36 inches wide and assembles in minutes, but the coating is prone to flaking. Coming in at number 8 on our list, thanks to an upper shelf that makes an ideal platform for mounting a small camera, the North Bayou AVA 1500 is a good choice for video conferencing. Its screen center height is adjustable from 44 to 60 inches. It's equipped with a wide, sturdy base and dual support poles. However, the shelf brackets are quite weak. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for TV carts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the robust perlesmith Mobile is suitable for flat and curved TVs weighing up to 55 pounds. The mounting bracket and media shelf are both adjustable in height, while its hollow frame keeps the cables out of sight. It's equipped with anti-scratch wheels and comes with all the assembly tools, but the screen can't be tilted. Moving up our list to number 6, a versatile option that can also be used for equipment storage. The Line Leader Extra Wide has a large shelf on top with a non-slip mat. It's adjustable from 24 to 42 inches high and features a steel cabinet with lockable doors in the base. It's available in 5 sizes with a pull-out keyboard tray. However, this one's not ideal for large screens. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Kanto Mobile provides support for screens between 37 and 65 inches. It offers a simple height adjustment mechanism that doesn't require you to remove the television. A 2-shelf option is also available, and it has quick-release locks on the wheels and a powder-coated steel frame. At number 4, the mounted Mi876 can support up to 110 pounds and is compatible with most VESA mounting patterns. It can tilt screens as much as 10 degrees up or down and comes with all the necessary assembly hardware. It's made from high-quality materials and has an upper ledge for a camera. It accommodates up to 70-inch screens. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the attractive rfiver rolling has a wide tempered glass base and 3 shelves that provide plenty of room for audio-visual equipment. The TV mount swivels 30 degrees in either direction. It features a 110-pound capacity, heavy-duty locking casters, and a safety lock for the screen. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for TV carts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the VIVO Stand TV03E boasts a large X-shaped base for stability. It has a height-adjustable shelf for any devices you might want to connect to your TV. It's available in black or white with integrated cable management. It accommodates screens of up to 65 inches. And taking the top spot on our list, for small screens, the steel VIVO TV07W is a good choice, as it's a single-pole design with a space-saving base. It weighs just 16.8 pounds, yet can support 44, and the mount tilts up to 30 degrees to accommodate different viewing angles. Its height telescopes up to 49 inches, and it's also available without wheels. It'll hold screens from 13 to 42 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for TV carts, or simply click beneath this video.